Furthermore, the bitter truth is also that whenever there is a fall in global oil prices per barrel, such reductions do not always fully translate into lower fuel pump prices in our respective countries, owing to other offsetting factors such as currency depreciation, such as additional premiums on top of basic fuel price that we have to extend, or increases in freight rates and the costs of shipping, costs of logistics to our shores. To put this in perspective, if you look at the current state of play of global oil prices and as passed through and implemented domestically, on average, a barrel of refined petrol and diesel in December last year was averaging around $100 per liter of petrol. But if you look at what we have on our shores in our harbour town of Walvis Bay, in the same month, our average price per liter averaged around 22 Namibia dollar at that point in time. Today, the average price per barrel of either petrol or diesel is way below $100 mark. It's around 88, 87 US dollars mark. But a liter of petrol or diesel in Walvis Bay today is still in the region of 20 Namibia dollars. So